6, we begin with a firefight in West Broward as crews battle the largest active wildfire in the Everglades. At last check, 11,000 acres have burned and it remains 50% contained. There have been no reported injuries. And it's not the only fire crews are battling. A second is burning miles away down in Homestead near Card Sound Road. At last check, it is 300 acres in size and 50% contained. As of now, there are no road closures in that area. Tonight, nearby neighborhoods are on high alert, worried about their homes and long-term impacts. Good evening. I'm Lauren Pastrana. Thank you for joining us. CBS News Miami's Manuel Bojorquez is your reporter live in Pembroke Park with the latest on the ground. Manny?
Well, Lauren, we have continued to watch for hours now as that pillar of smoke just continues to rise in the distance. And as we look at that, we can tell you about those concerns that the combination of drought and fires might affect the area's natural ability to absorb water during the rainy season. There are, of course, the more immediate and pressing concerns of residents who live nearby and hope the flames stay away. What's fueling the flames and the thick black smoke that can be seen for miles are bone-dry conditions in the Everglades due to severe drought. It's a major concern, of course, if you live along the edge of the Everglades, like this neighborhood in Pembroke Pines.
Muy preocupada.
You're very worried.
Muy preocupada.
Audrey Gonzalez even grabbed her own garden hose to spray down the shrubs around her home. She's done it since Sunday when the fire exploded from 200 acres to more than 5,000 near US 27 and Chrome Avenue.
As a precaution, we always, make sure that we wet everything down. God forbid it does come this way, at least we have a half a chance.
But as firefighters continue to battle the blaze, experts are concerned about the long-term impacts the burn scars of this fire season are leaving behind.
The extent of drought and the severity of drought this year is really unlike any I've seen going back to 2001.
Steve Davis is Chief Science Officer for the Everglades Foundation. He says these fires can cause even the soil to burn.
We can have what's called a muck fire, where the fire actually gets into the soil, combusts it, we lose elevation, and that alters the habitats for years to come.
The result, he says, those scorched patches lose their ability to act as South Florida's natural sponge until they can regrow.
The lost elevation itself leads to changes in the pattern of flooding across the marsh. But at least for now, as the fire continues to rage, some rain would be a welcome sight. We saw a few raindrops earlier, but nothing significant so far, as the cause of the fire remains under investigation. We're live in western Broward County. Manuel Bojorquez, CBS News, Miami.